Number 1. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros is the second largest wild animal species after elephants. It is currently only found in Africa, Malaysia, Indonesia, and India. They did, however, exist in Europe in the past. The horns of rhinos are their most powerful weapons. With huge horn blows, they can kill their opponent. Humans are the only real predators of adult rhinoceros in the wild. Predators and scavengers are afraid of adult rhinos because they are so powerful. However, big cats, crocodiles, and hyenas can prey on young rhinos. Rhinos with more experience tend to safeguard the baby rhinos from predators. Rhinos are ferocious and tough creatures. He has the ability to attack anyone who comes in front of him when he is enraged. Even a colossal elephant can stand up because of it. If an adult rhino has a baby, he will fight to the death to protect it. It makes no difference how powerful or scary the opponent is. Hippos and elephants, for example, must be extremely cautious when rhinos using their massive horns. Horn strikes have the potential to gravely harm or kill them. The Sumatran rhinoceros is the world's tiniest rhinoceros. It can be found in Borneo and Sumatra at very high altitudes. Predators like lions, hyenas, and wild dogs have a distinct edge in that they attack in packs. However, due to their thick skin and sturdy structure, rhinos will be extremely tough to bring down. Rhinos can sometimes fight amongst themselves for leadership. The rhinoceros asserts its leadership and becomes a voice in the region after winning the fight. They are incredibly agile and swift animals, despite their large weight. The African rhinoceros, as well as the Sumatran rhinoceros, have 2 horns, whereas the Indian and Javan rhinoceros only have 1. Attacking a mother rhino with a baby puts a predator's life in jeopardy. The mother rhino has no mercy when it comes to destroying her enemy. Number 2. Hippopotamus. One of the creatures with the world's strongest jaw pressure. Hippos, with their massive bodies and big teeth, are a dreaded adversary. It is one of Africa's most powerful animals, with its keen teeth, fast speed, and massive bulk. Hippos live in herds of up to 20 members. Men fiercely defend their control zones from one another. Hippos place a high value on defending their territory. They are unafraid to fight each other for dominance. Men competing against each other engage in brutal combat that can result in death. Hippos generally come ashore at night to graze on the grass in the plains. Hippos have opponents as well. Lions and crocodiles are the most well-known of these opponents. Young hippos are being pursued by lions and crocodiles. Young hippos, on the other hand, rarely get preyed since they are safeguarded by adults. In one bite, they may sever an adult crocodile in half. They have powerful jaws. Their most devastating weapon is canines up to 50 centimeters in length. A hippopotamus with a high biting force is the last thing any wild animal wants to be bitten by. Hippos spend much of their time in or near water. Scavengers like as hyenas and wild dogs, though, can occasionally disturb them. Hippos frighten them by spreading their jaws wide. When they are stimulated, they can be highly violent and hostile, despite their peaceful disposition. They are large, powerful animals capable of fending off predators in the wild. Predators have a difficult time hunting and catching them. Number 3. Elephant. The world's largest land mammal. With its hoses and sharp teeth, it is one of the most powerful animals on the planet. Elephants, including Asian and African elephants, have few natural enemies. The lion pride are the most well-known of these foes. The male African elephant can grow to be 4 meters long and weigh 7,000 kilograms. That is why no animal want to engage in combat with an elephant. Elephants, on the other hand, are fearless animals that can stand up to them. Elephants may be encountered by animals like as rhinoceros, hippopotamus, buffalo, and lions. When fighting, they use their long, pointed incisors as a weapon. While attacking the elephants, the lions attempt to attack as a group. A newborn elephant can be killed by a single male lion. Because elephants have such a strong bond, each individual is extremely valuable. Elephants eat only plants. It can be found in a variety of natural environments, including savanna, forest, desert, and marsh. Elephants, who prefer to be near water, will also attempt to enter the water and cool off with their hoses. Elephants are generally avoided by other animals. Only baby elephants are attacked by predators like as lions, tigers, hyenas, and wild dogs. Big cats like lions and tigers, on the other hand, sometimes attack big elephants. Elephants can establish vast communities when their familial groups join up. Elephants are among the most intelligent animals on the planet. They have been shown to demonstrate empathy for dying elephants or other creatures of their own kind. They don't let their children away to keep them safe from all forms of risk. Elephants can walk forward and backward, but not jump. With their teeth and proboscis, they can topple massive trees. It is one of the most powerful creatures, with the best predator defense. With only their trunks, they can seriously hurt or maim a lion. It is extremely difficult for a lion or tiger to survive in a herd of elephants. As a result, predators may be hesitant to accept an elephant as a meal. Elephants are a scary target because of their trunks, teeth, and massive weight. Number 4. Zebra. Zebras are a type of African wild animal that is black and white in color. Because they dwell in small or huge dazzle, they can better defend themselves against predators. Zebras are powerful wild creatures with many predators such as lions, crocodiles, and hyenas. His most vital weapon is his hind legs, which he uses to deliver lethal blows to the enemy. Zebras, unlike horses, have a more wild personality and can weigh up to 350 kilograms. As a result, it's a fantastic feast for starving hunters like lions and hyenas. Zebras are usually slower than horses, yet their stamina allows them to resist fierce predators. When pursued by a large predator such as a lion, they make quick right and left turns, making it harder for the wild animal to attack. When defending themselves, zebras rumble, double throw, or bite. For most wild animals, this is a defense to be aware of. The predator that is struck by the zebra's protection can be gravely harmed or maimed. They may perish in some situations as a result of the zebra's powerful kicks. Zebras are one of the most popular prey items for predators. There is enough meat for a herd of wild animals due to its size. Zebras are extremely tasty prey for lions, the world's strongest cat. While hunting, powerful predators such as lions focus their attention on the weakest, oldest, or smallest juvenile member of the herd. When they decide to attack, they approach the herd silently from a variety of angles and begin waiting for the ideal moment. All zebras can sometimes band together to save a zebra. When predators attack a strong zebra, they may be met with the zebra's lethal defense. To shield its young members from harm, zebras can take them toward the herd's center. In the herd's outer circle, strong and vigorous warrior zebras can be spotted. Predators such as lions, hyenas, and wild dogs would not like this. The pack's strongest member can launch a counterattack to drive the predators away. Hunters or scavengers in the need of food may cease attacking and look for other victims. Zebras have highly developed senses of sight, hearing, taste, and smell. Zebras are well prepared for threats from all directions thanks to their very sensitive senses. During migrating, zebras may have to cross rivers. Zebras are vulnerable to underwater killers who might lurk and attack them at any time. On land, they must contend with lions, hyenas, and wild dogs, as well as crocodiles in the water. Zebras are not only preyed upon by lions, hyenas, wild dogs, and crocodiles. Zebras may have to combat their own kind. The baby zebra will live if the mother zebra wins the battle. Zebras are one of nature's most popular, pleasant, and attractive creatures. When it becomes enraged, though, it may be quite dangerous. Zebras only sleep if there are other animals nearby to alert them to predators. In captivity, zebras, which are frequently seen in zoos, can live much longer. Zebras' black and white stripes keep them cool while also allowing them to blend in with tall grass. Zebras are fast-moving creatures. Because of their speed, zebras are able to outrun predators like lions. Zebras that can spend hours or even days searching for a member of the herd who has vanished develop a very sociable existence with their own kind. They roam around with other animals such as antelope, giraffe, ostrich, and other alert animals at all times to protect themselves from probable threats. It works tirelessly to feed and defend its baby. In this battle for survival in the wild, zebras appear to have a robust resistance. Predators such as lions, leopards, cheetahs, hyenas, and wild dogs find it difficult to catch. It can be difficult for hunters to deal with due to biting and rear foot hits. The zebra must struggle with all its strength to survive. Number 5. Buffalo. Buffaloes are an animal with horns capable of killing lions. It is one of the world's largest terrestrial mammals. Buffaloes are powerful and courageous creatures. They are the world's largest wild bulls. Buffaloes that roam a large area of Africa rarely live alone. They live in herds to protect themselves from predators. Buffaloes love to graze near water sources. They only mobile when they are in danger. When they have to flee, they face their foes and confront them. They give predators like lions a hard time due to their massive size and lethal horns. Indian buffaloes are notorious for being dangerous creatures that prefer to keep away from the main flocks, despite the fact that they normally dwell in herds. Separated from the main herd, these Indian buffaloes are extremely courageous in comparison to other species. These creatures have been known to attack elephants and buffalo herds in the wild. Any animal left alone, on the other hand, piqued the interest of predators. Particularly lions. Lions, the world's strongest large cat, can hunt a wide variety of prey. The hunting lists are fairly varied, and buffaloes are also on the menu. When lions and buffaloes come into contact, they fight ferociously amongst themselves. Lions' main purpose is to catch a buffalo that breaks away from the herd. A buffalo can be caught by a pack of lions if it moves away from the herd. Buffaloes in herds are less likely to be attacked by predators like lions. In the midst of a buffalo herd, a lion has made the worst decision of his life. It's quite tough to escape the buffalo herd unharmed. Buffaloes can strike lions with their horns and kill them if they are angry and hostile. The defense mechanisms are really strong. Buffaloes that live in herds always put their babies first. Protecting the baby is critical for the herd's survival. Adult buffaloes place a premium on the safety of their baby in the herd. Because young buffaloes are the first to be attacked by predators. Adult buffaloes are always near the offspring for this reason. They defend them from predators such as lions and hyenas in this way. Lions consider calf to be easy prey. Protective buffaloes, on the other hand, will not tolerate it. Buffaloes have a combative demeanor. This violent behavior has the potential to kill predator in some instances. There may also be major conflicts between them. For supremacy and leadership, they can seriously harm or kill each other. In addition, they have well-developed defensive instincts. They have the bravery and strength to help a buffalo herd that has been attacked. Number 6. Giraffe. The world's tallest creatures. Giraffes, which live in Africa, have a lot of natural adversaries. Lions are a giraffe's greatest foe. They are pursued by lions, the world's most powerful cats. Spotted hyenas, leopards, and African wild dogs prey on baby giraffes. The ruler of the forests, the lions, attack the giraffes in groups, dividing the task among themselves. One of the most difficult creatures to hunt is the giraffe. Giraffes, like humans, do not live alone. In tower, they form enormous groups. When a giraffe leaves the herd, it becomes vulnerable to a variety of threats. With its strong legs and deadly foot blows, it tries to keep predators away. Lions can be seriously injured or even killed by giraffe foot blows. Male lions are also hunting because they are aware of this. Giraffes must also exercise extreme caution when drinking from rivers or lakes. A huge crocodile may attack it underwater. It could even fall victim to a troop of lions hiding in the undergrowth. That's why, no matter how powerful they are, giraffes act as if danger can come from any place. Giraffes have many natural adversaries, including lions. Giraffes can launch massive fights between themselves at the same time. They intend to use powerful neck strokes to defeat their opponent. The giraffe who has fallen or been injured retreats and admits defeat. Male giraffes can cause serious harm to each other in their fight for group supremacy. Giraffe males maintain social hierarchy by fighting with their necks. Dominant giraffes can now mate with females as a result of their victory. The leaves of the acacia tree are giraffes' primary food source, which they consume at heights beyond the reach of other mammals. Male giraffes range in height from 4.4 to 5.5 meters and weigh 1.5 tons. These animals are known as the wild's colossal tall animals. Predators and scavengers find giraffes difficult prey. Other predators, except lions, may be unable to attack these enormous giraffes. They attempt to hunt the young of their giraffes, the world's tallest land animal. However, lions, often known as kings, may hunt enormous giraffes with the help of their companions. Lions are known for their exceptional jumping abilities. So, in order to catch the giraffe, it tries to jump on its neck and knock it down. Giraffes, on the other hand, should not be underestimated. Giraffes, which are abundant in countries like Kenya, Tanzania, and Botswana, can sense danger from afar. When a male giraffe comes face to face with lions, he attempts to defend himself. Giraffes use their lethal hind foot punches to battle ferociously with their opponents. With lethal foot blows, giraffes may seriously injure lions. Against lions with a muscular body, the giraffe's strong legs are his most reliable defense. It's a creature that will go to great lengths to protect its calf from predators like lions and hyenas. Thrive in the wilderness. Giraffes, like any other living creature, will face challenges in order to survive. With a good defense strategy, they can overcome these obstacles. To survive, predators and scavengers must hunt. Elephants, giraffes, antelopes, zebras, deer, and gazelles, on the other hand, must develop effective predator defenses. The best defender will succeed. Predators such as lions and tigers will eat other preys. This incredible war will never end. Number 7. Warthog. A wild boar breed from the species porcine that lives in Africa. Unlike domestic pigs, these warthogs do not spend their time in mud puddles. In the wild, they must continually be on the lookout for predators. That's why, unlike other domestic pigs, they don't appear to be at ease. Mud baths are sometimes taken by warthogs and wild boars. But this is merely to keep her cool and cleanse her skin of parasites. Because warthogs live in groups of 15 to 20, they can defend themselves against any predator. It uses its long and deadly teeth to harm or kill the enemy while defending. When a warthog is cornered by a predator like a lion or a leopard, it uses its strength to fight back. They sometimes hide in huge holes they dig or burrows that resemble tunnels. Other members of the herd may come to his aid and save him from the hunter. The warthog has a lot of foes. Lions, tigers, leopards, crocodiles and hyenas are among them. Many wild creatures are available for hunting. Lions, the world's strongest animal and lord of the woodlands, prefer warthogs. Because the lions split up the work, they scatter the warthog herd and capture one of them. Similarly, tigers, the world's largest cat, have it on their hunting menus. Warthogs and wild boars can be quite heavy, so even a lion or tiger may struggle. Hyenas and wild dogs are the predators that wild boars and warthogs are most afraid of. While attacking a prey, the hyena and wild dog travel with the group. This is why these predators are warthogs' least favorite. Warthogs can fight fiercely to protect their young, their nest, and their territory against hunters and predators. It can take on opponents that are far more powerful than himself to protect his offspring. The warthog's body works like a soaping mechanism. It protects itself with its long-haired skin, which has become mud-hardened. It can easily lead itself through bushes and heaths since its body is bulging on both sides. There isn't a bush he can't get into. It is protected from thorns by its thick skin and deep eyes. As a result, it gives you an advantage while avoiding large cats like lions, tigers, and leopards. Legs are short in comparison to their total height. Warthogs can run incredibly quickly. Warthogs have a unique neck structure that prevents them from simply moving their heads. They can't swiftly change directions since they run fast and can't simply move their heads. Because scavengers like hyenas and wild dogs can shift direction quickly while running, they can move with ease. Warthogs must always be cautious when drinking water since they can be devoured by crocodiles. Warthogs that can grow to be rather huge, requiring extreme caution when drinking water, resting, eating, and feeding their young. To defend their babies from predators, they might employ a variety of defensive methods. It may launch lethal attacks on its opponents with its long and sharp teeth. In this way, he can badly damage his opponent while also defending his offspring. At the same time, dropping a warthog to the ground is difficult because its skin is covered in hard hair and its feet are planted firmly on the ground. When their young are in danger, warthogs with strong legs can become hostile and enraged. At this point, he tries everything he can to keep his opponent away from his offspring and territory. Even if he loses his baby when he comes face to face with a lion herd, He will not attack the lions alone. Although it is tough for the mother warthog not to protect her baby, fighting the lion herd alone is also impossible. Warthogs are among the wild animals that require attention, even though they are always great prey for predators and scavengers. To win in the wild, it's not enough to be strong. Even if you make a good defense, you can sometimes win the war. Alternatively, you can do both a good assault and a good defense at the same moment. You've seen the terrifying world of warthogs who are well defended. Number 8. Porcupine. Here's a small yet ruthless competitor. One of the most difficult prey for predators to catch. They have the potential to gravely harm or even kill lions. Dazed predators can fight with such a small yet lethal species. Leopards and lions will fight without blinking for this prey. When attacking the porcupine, lions and leopards must use extreme caution. The arrowed porcupine's neck is difficult to catch. Turning his back to the side where the move is coming, the porcupine with the arrow displays his thorns. Thorns strike predators and scavengers who prey on the weak and careless. The heart of some leopards and lions may be pierced by thorns, resulting in death. They remove the thorns that have pierced the body as a result of their exertions. The arrowed porcupine is a truly amazing creature. It's one of those unusual creatures that's little in size but dangerous in nature. The predators that pursue the arrow porcupine, on the other hand, detach it from its thorns before eating it. For certain organisms, hunger is a powerful motivator. Hungry big cat can attack any living creature. Every living thing has its own protection mechanism. This defense strives to keep him safe from many threats. Of course, attacking predators have formidable attack capabilities as well. Some have powerful jaws, while others have powerful claw strokes. This conflict, which is difficult for the porcupine with arrows, is reminiscent of a spectacular natural combat. With its huge spines on this magnificent dorsal section, the arrowed porcupine can stand up to any predator. Number 9. Gazelle. It is a species of animal that can dwell anywhere on the planet except in the polar regions. It is a swift and nimble creature. While running, it has a high degree of mobility. Male gazelles have horns that are potentially lethal. Males may engage in fierce competition to influence female gazelles. At the same time, male gazelles can engage in vicious competition for leadership. Because of their horns and speed, predators find male gazelles difficult to catch. When it comes to speed, male lions or leopards have a hard time keeping up with gazelles. Cheetahs, the world's fastest land carnivores, can, however, achieve this level of speed. Cheetahs, like gazelles, are capable of moving at fast speeds. Like other buffaloes, deer, and zebras, gazelles live in herds. The herd is ruled by the male gazelle. When a foreign male approaches the herd, he risks engaging in a lethal duel with the gazelle. They try to use their horns to attack one another. The war is won by the one who is powerful and can defend successfully. The females in the herd have the right to be protected by the male gazelle who wins the fight. In the wild, gazelles are frequently attacked by predators such as cheetahs, leopards, and lions. Leopards try to catch gazelles by ambushing them because of their excellent camouflage abilities. Cheetahs take advantage of their speed. Wild dogs, with their boundless vitality, can keep up with the gazelle until it tires. That's why gazelles try to stay close to the herd they're in. In the event of an attack, juvenile gazelles must be protected. Because baby gazelles are the first prey of predators like glades and cheetahs. With their horns, speed, and athletic build, gazelles can defend themselves against predators. Because of their nimble anatomy and strong legs, knocking down a gazelle is difficult. It is a creature capable of taking any risk in order to safeguard its baby. They are wild animals that can defend themselves well against predators. Despite the fact that many animals eat it, it is not an easy prey to catch. An animal capable of displaying any form of survival struggle. You were observing the terrifying world of gazelles. Number 10. Wildebeest. Africa is the living continents of wildebeest. Their natural habitat is the Serengeti Plains. Natural adversaries abound for wildebeests. Lions, leopards, hyenas, and wild dogs are among its many foes. Wildebeests can defend themselves against predators because they usually travel in herds. Predators love these creatures, which weigh between 150 and 300 kilograms. Drought forces these wildebeests to migrate once or twice a year, and they face a variety of threats in the wild. Even when drinking water, he must use extreme caution. They may be a food source for crocodiles with strong bite forces lurking beneath the surface. Antelopes, cattle, goats, sheep, and other even-toed horned ungulates are all members of the Bovidae family. These creatures, which congregate in vast groups in locations like the Serengeti and Masai Mara, are also adept at defending themselves. With its horns and powerful feet, it can repel opponents. Even in the face of a lion onslaught, it is a creature that does not give up easy. The lion, hyena, African wild dog, cheetah, leopard, and crocodile are among the major predators that feed on wildebeest. They appear to prefer the wildebeest to other prey. It is critical to be strong in order to win a war. Wildebeest are extremely powerful animals that may injure even a lion. The most important defense mechanism used by these animals is herding, in which the young animals are shielded by the older, larger animals while the herd runs together. Please like this video and subscribe to BV Animal Documentary if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching.